Yeah, you can try. Let's try it in a different way. Let's test another way. So we go to try two method to make this ring. I cut the wire 10 centimeter. It's a little bit longer. And hello, Luz. Happy to see you. Thank you, Cheshik. So here, cut the wire longer. Cut the wire. This time I cut it 70 centimeter. 70 centimeter can be braided the ring size bigger. Make the ring size bigger. Hi, Gigi. Happy to see you. And this way, braid. Left 1 inch. 1 inch. Okay, then 2, 2, 2, 2, 1, 2, and the wrapper 1, 2, wrapper 1, 2, wrapper. Braid it longer 5.5 centimeter. 1, 2, wrapper 1, 2, wrapper. It's going to be a ring. Wrapper, wrapper here. The wrapper here. Tight, wrapper. Tight, 2, 2. So this is the way that's to make this one. My friends, if you are new time here in my live streaming, thank you to follow me. This is a channel shows you how to making the jewelry by ourselves. And I have another channel is with more than 600 different free tutorials. Can be check it anytime. Even I'm not go live, you can find my free tutorial here. I will show you my free tutorial page later. Thank you. So when you are braided this with this pantone, hello Coffee Land, happy to see you. Wrapper. The wrapper, tight, wrapper. 2, 2. We name the wrapper way is 2, 2, 2, 2. We are a shop that sell all the jewelry materials, so you can learn tutorial here. You can get materials from my shop. Check my TikTok page. The first video is shows you where to buy the materials. We have the wire, the beads, the chains, the charms, everything you can got here. Wrapper. Then here, this way, tight, wrapper. Hi, Sabi. Happy to see you. So, braid the ring band like this. This way, the ring band is comfortable to wear and is strong enough on the finger, not easy out of shape. Okay. It's 5 centimeter, 2 inch now. Then here I'm almost going to stop. we'll go stop and start to attach the chain link. Right. Okay. Hello, Southern Crab. Happy to see you. Okay, here I cut it a little bit long. Yeah, not too much short. Okay, we take two pieces of the link. This is a kind of the chain, like the watch band, and let's go into do it first. We take away the hook. Okay, move away. Maybe 3 pieces of the link looks a little bit more nice. Okay, 3 link. Hello, Royston. Happy to see you. My finger is bigger, so I put 3 link. Here 2 link I feel a little bit not enough, so I put 3 link. Then hello, Tanya V. The oil is back. Okay, put here. This way. Attach here, then going to bend it the wire here. Okay. This way. Then I'm going to bend. Let me see if this one can be big size 9. Big size. Okay, bend half. Cut away the extra. Okay. Then test the sides. Oh, this will come the size too big. Maybe 2 link can become the size perfect. But here I put with 3 link. But it doesn't matter. We just understand the way how to make it. Okay. And the end, here we're going to, you can cut away the wire, or we can make the end with the band here, make a loop. Okay, just link like this. The side we make like this because just here this way not so much nice, and this way the end is not going to be sharp here and is be more a little bit design idea. Okay. Okay. It's going to be a size 11.5. Okay, so finish. It's come like this. Okay, so got it. This is how we make